Welcome to the second episode of Energy Talks 4T. Today, my guest is Nicola Ruggeri, in Ortea Next BU Manager of Power Factor Correction, Active Harmonic Filters and the related services. Welcome, first of all, Nicola.
Thank you, Paolo.
I would like to start by asking you how important are those three factors for the power quality?
Power factor correction and active harmonic filters are a few of the possible remedies for any deviation that the current may have on the customer side. And so they provide a compensation of the active power and reduction of the harmonic currents. We can consider high frequency currents, which harmonic currents are, or too high or too low power factor as deviation from what the current should be delivered to a plant or to a load. The service and the technical support is the way we use to explain our customer the reason of our products, the way to use, the way to exploit the products in the best way and to maximize the experience of use.
Okay. Can you tell us more about the power factor correction?
Power factor correction, in its classic form, is composed by passive components. It is quite a mature technology. It provides anyway its functioning in terms that provides the reactive power to the loads. It is, let's say, exposed to a risk of reduction of its needs in the motor network because the inductive loads are more and more controlled by drives, therefore the need for reactive power is less. But at the same time, it is a way to reduce the penalties from the electricity board bills. It provides energy saving, and at the same time it is a very smart way to design the project and the plans. As such, the product we deliver, they have to be robust, they have to be delivered on time, they have to be state-of-the-art in terms of connectivity, they have to be within a wide range of solutions where the client has to find the solution and the product they're looking for. And these are the values that we believe in, and we are sure and we have evidences that our customer do also appreciate.
So, is power factor correction something new for Ortea Next?
Not at all. Actually, we are giving continuity to the ICAR brand applied to the power factor correction. It keeps the same construction principle and the experience of the technicians, which has made the power factor correction of ICAR as a market reference in Italy as well as for the international markets.
Power factor correction with passive components is a mature technology. What should we expect as new technology or as an evolution?
We are on the verge of technological substitution curve. So power factor correction is pretty mature, and the future will be the active conditioning of the current, which will be performed by the active power filters. These devices are becoming a fulcrum, a center of different performances that they can provide. Well, first of all, the power factor correction, in a way that it provides a very high performance compensation of the reactive power, that is ultra fast, that it is balanced, and it can be done on every single phase. Clearly, it has been conceived also for the harmonic compensation, harmonic current compensation for loads like drives, rectifiers, LED lamps, and so on. And the last and very important function as well, it's able to rebalance the currents absorbed by the loads. Ortea Next is present in this field since 15 years. Because we foresee at that time the potential of the active power filter. But we believe that today is the moment, is the right time that this new technology will actually bloom, and the clients will understand the advantages of using this kind of product.
I see. And there's another thing I would like to ask. In many sectors, we see a transition from acquiring mere goods to acquiring services, actually. Is something you foresee even in this market?
Yes. Let me interpret these services as a kind of line that cross the time, that merge together what is the past, the present, and the future. The business unit provides itself as a supplier of technical assistance services as well, with our own technicians, which are able to provide predictive, corrective maintenance, either applied to our installed capacitor bank, but as well to the other brand of capacitor banks. Well, at the same time, we try to spread the concept of good use of electricity. We do that with energy assessment, with power quality surveys, where we transmit to our clients the way to reduce their consumption and to make proper installations in their plant. So we believe in this development stream that can be meant as a dematerialization, where the clients will enjoy the experience on the product, starting from the installation, the use, the maintenance, and the end of life. In addition, we at Ortea Next, we are providing our clients tools for financing, for leasing, for lending our devices, in order to allow our clients to exploit and to enjoy the performances of our products without engaging client resources.
Thank you, Nicola. I would like to ask you about the future of the business unit inside the wide range of solutions offered by Ortea Next.
The business unit is one of the most important ribs of Ortea Next, and it is also a fundamental part of the power quality range that the company is providing. And this range is also one of the most rich and complete we can find on the domestic market as well as on the international scene. And it incorporates as well very unique features, such as a very complete range, highly qualified skills, and a very efficient manufacturing tools that makes a lot of the company added value. I foresee a very brilliant future for this business area, and the team is fully committed in making this to happen.
Then best of luck, Nicola, and thank you for your insights today.
Thank you, Paolo.
And to you, I'll see you in the next episode of Energy Talks for T. Bye now.